In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge videos on Canva. Start by opening Canva in your web browser and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on Create Design button and choose Presentation. This will open a new blank design, perfect for merging videos. Navigate to Projects tab on the left-hand side, and on the Video section you will see videos you uploaded or are available in your Canva account. Click on first video you want to add to your design. To make video fit in entire canvas, right-click on it and select Set as Background, and this will resize video to cover entire slide. To add another video, simply drag and drop video onto canvas, and you will notice new video will be placed on the top of existing video. To arrange it as background, right-click on it and select Set as Background again. If you want to merge videos seamlessly, you can adjust their position, trim them, or add transition effect between slides. Once you are satisfied with how videos are merged, preview your design by clicking on Play button. If everything looks good, click on Share button at the top right and choose Download to export your merged video.